Hello world! Entertainment Tonight news saying that love is in the air. Hugh Jackman and Sutton Foster confirmed their romance while stepping out hand in hand. The two were all a smile as they enjoy a dinner date in Santa Monica on Monday night. They enjoy a 2-hour dinner looking happy and relaxed, then return home together. The Tony winners become close friends while co-starring in the Broadway revival of The Music Man, which from 2021 through 2023, rumors of their budding romance have been swirling for some time now, with the source telling Entertainment Tonight that the couple's relationship have been an open secret in some Broadway circles since last summer. Sutton filed for divorce from her husband, screenwriter Ted Griffin, in October 2024. After 10 years of marriage, Hugh and his wife Deborah Lee Furness announced their separation after 27 years in a joint statement in 2023. Lovely day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!